Second day of deliberations will be tomorrow in the trial of former state trooper Mark Bessner.
The jury will decide if he's guilty or innocent of second-degree murder in the death of Detroit teenager Damon Grimes.
7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner with the closing arguments heard in court.
4+ hours and no verdict. Both sides telling jurors, use your common sense. Was this good police work?
No one on God's green earth thinks it's a good idea to shoot a taser at somebody when they're not wearing a helmet, when they're going that fast.
The defense also raising common sense questions.
Fired his taser for sport or purposefully to injure somebody.
Dashcam video helps to understand some of what happened. In August of last year, 15-year-old Damon Grimes riding an ATV, first at state police, then running away from them. Former trooper Mark Bessner was riding in the passenger seat, deployed his taser. Grimes crashes immediately and later dies.
Your focal point should be strictly and solely on whether Mark Bessner was justified in discharging, at that point, his weapon of last resort.
The jury has 3 options: second-degree murder, involuntary manslaughter, or not guilty.
If you find that defendant Bessner did use reasonable force and his actions were justified, he is not guilty.
A tearful Bessner testified last week. He saw Grimes reach for his waistband with his left hand as if grabbing a gun. The video does not show that before he goes out of frame, and within a second, he's tasered and crashes. And the prosecution questioned if this was turned into a self-defense case for Bessner.
That unseen grab with the left hand in that split second, and none of this would have happened.
If Bessner is convicted of involuntary manslaughter, it's 15 years in prison. Second-degree murder is any number of years, up to life, up to the judge. Deliberations continue here tomorrow. In downtown, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.